Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube page. I'm going to be showing you guys how I transformed this Ankara trouser. It's the normal, the trouser that guys wear for their native now, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how I transformed it into this. Yes, into like a bikini and a short. So let me show you guys how I was able to achieve this with no-sew. So what you have to do now, I just cut the trouser into two. Can you see? I already hemmed the short here, and this is what we have after removing the short here. So this is what we have. This is like the bottom of the trouser. Yeah, can you guys see? So we have two different sides. So I'm going to take one, and I'm using my big earring. So you can use an earring, or you can use a bangle, anyone you feel like using. I achieved that. So I just used pin to pin it at the back to make it stable. You take the other one too. You also do the same thing. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah, and there you go. This is what you have at the end of the day. So I used the pin to hook it at the back. You can use a glue. I would also sew it after this so it doesn't come off when I go out. So here's what you have. This is our bikini. So what I did was I made a knot at the back, so you guys can do that too. And you can wear this on a shirt like I'm doing now, or you can wear it alone to the beach, wherever you're going to. So for the second hack of today, I'm going to take this top. Yeah, it's a stretchy top. I'm going to turn it into a skirt. So all you gotta do is you twist it, yeah, and then you wear it from below. Can you see? So you wear it like this. So you can wear it like this with your shirt tucked in under your bra, yeah, this way. Or you can actually remove your shirt and tuck it under the rope. Yes, can you see? So I think this is another style too, whatever you decide to do. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube page. See you next week. Love you.